This is Fee Believe Cooking, and this is my little cooking sous chef, Mr. Pringle. Hi, welcome to WBMTV. I'm Fee, and today we're testing out another one of our quick air fryer recipes, and this one is Pringles chicken. So many people are buying and using their air fryers now. They have become so popular because they use less energy, so you can cook with them without having to stick your whole oven on. We found this recipe online. It's a trending recipe. I mean, crisps have been used in these kind of things before. I've put crisps on a pasta bake before, but I've never put Pringles on chicken. What I think is cool is you can choose your Pringles. So you can choose the flavour you want your chicken to be just by changing the Pringles. So you could try it with sour cream and onion or chive, what is it? Salt and vinegar, barbecue, whatever Pringle floats your boat, you can go for it. We are going to crush up the Pringles and get them ready to coat our chicken. Right, this is looking good. Done. We had the crushing stage, now we have the dipping stage, and then it's the cooking stage. It's literally that simple. Right, so we're gonna dip into the flour, and then we're going into the egg. Don't splat it like I did though. And then we're going into the Pringles. Now don't eat these Pringles once raw chicken's been in there. That's a no. Then egg. Oh gosh. Then Pringles. I mean, that is coated, absolutely coated. They look, to me, like they're gonna be amazing. They remind, well, like chicken goujons, or, well, because of the spicy sizzliness, they might be a bit sort of southern fried chicken-y like, or something like that. I reckon they're gonna come up really well. Well, I've got high hopes anyway. We're gonna spray with a bit of oil and then straight into the air fryer. Apparently this needs to go in for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going in. That's it. Put it on. 180, yeah. Let's go for 10 to be sure. And go. We are ready. We have beeped. Okay, let's have a look. See how this has turned out. It has been in for the desired length of time. So here we have it. Pringle chicken made in 10 minutes in the air fryer. And these pieces are fairly large. They've cooked through. It's crispy. The bits that weren't as crispy when they came out, when left out for a little bit, they've crisped up more. Flavour-wise, you're reliant on the flavour Pringles that you choose. So basically, whichever flavour Pringle you think will taste nicest on your chicken is the flavour that you'll get. You might want to add extra flavouring to it, salt, pepper, what have you, and use a dip. That's what we've got here. It is a super simple recipe to follow. It was really easy. It was a few stages. It was a little bit sloppy. You've got the egg and you've got the flour. Some of them didn't cover particularly well, but you get the idea. It works. It'd be great to do with the kids. It's easy, it's fun, it's tasty, and you can do it in your air fryer. I'm Fee, and you've been watching WBMTV, where we have been using the air fryer to make our fabulous Pringle chicken. So let us know what you think, like, subscribe, and pop in the comments, what Pringles would you use? I quite like the idea of barbecue Pringles. Maybe dip into a barbecue dip and see how that tastes. And don't forget, we review so you don't have to.